Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off bedtime mode in Realme 14 Pro phone. So, first of all we need to go to our phone's settings. Then in settings we are looking for display and brightness menu. Next we need to scroll down to the eye comfort and sleep menu. And here we have a few options that we can change. As you can see, we have the bedtime mode here. We have AI eye comfort with the switch here. And we have the normal eye comfort option right here with some options that we can customize too. But if you are interested in the bedtime, the option is right here. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next video. Bye.